Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Blood Crystal token. Ticker symbol is BC. Now this is part of a GameFi project, and this token is getting a brand new central exchange listing very soon on a very big central exchange. We're going to go over how you can get this token and the info on it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So this is an ERC20 token on the Ethereum blockchain. Max total supply of this token is 853,700,000 tokens. 18 decimal places on this token. And this is a brand new token, and it only says 10 holders on their Etherscan. It's not available anywhere yet, but it was just announced that this token will be getting a central exchange listing on a central exchange called Gate starting March 7th at 9 a.m. UTC time on gate.io. So if you're looking to get this token, first of all, you can download Gate from the Google Play Store, Apple App Store, and get it on your PC. Open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section and search BC, the ticker symbol, and then simply just buy the token. You'll have to wait till March 7th. But if Gate is not available in your area, because Gate is not available in every country, around the same time, this token will be listed on Uniswap, which is the decentralized exchange for Ethereum tokens. So you'll be able to fund your Trust wallet or your MetaMask wallet with Ethereum, go into the dApps, find Uniswap, and then trade your Ethereum for the BC token using the contract address that you can find on their official webpage, which is wiz-eternalcrypt.com. So wiz-eternalcrypt.com. And you may have to set slippage if there's taxes. We'll have a look at that in a second, see if we can find that. Token distribution, 12% of the tokens go to the team members, 5% marketing, 10% investors, 14% INO, 40% game reserve, 5% ecosystem reserve, and 8% liquidity. So the game is Eternal Crypt Wizardry. So BC is the token. It says, as a guild master, you must use your wits to the fullest. Join adventurers in the endless depths of the dungeon to win treasures. A simple yet strategic blockchain game is now available free to play. So the key concepts is there's limited treasures, delve into the endless dungeon abyss, simple and strategic exploration. So this is in the role-playing game genre. So Wizardry is a 3D dungeon exploration RPG series released in the United States in 1981. I used to have this game for Commodore 64 way back in the day. And and I thought that was one of the cooler games actually for Commodore 64. The highly immersive user experience and breathtaking adventures attracted many users. Its labyrinth exploration, party formation, and monster battles are some of the elements that left a major impact on later role-playing games. And it is often referred to as the origin of RPGs. Many titles have been released to date, even today, More than 40 years after the initial release, this timeless masterpiece still boasts strong popularity around the world. I didn't know it was that old, so I myself am 41. It came out 40 years ago when I was 1. That's kind of crazy to believe. Like, what did it come out on first? I thought, yeah, I don't know. I remember getting a Commodore 64 when I was like around 8 or something like that, and then getting the Wizardry game maybe about a year after, so maybe I got it 8 years or so after it even came out. So Wizardry is reborn as a blockchain game. So Eternal Crypt Wizardry BC is an ambitious project that marries the timeless masterpiece with the concept of a blockchain game, a frontier in the gaming industry with an emphasis on usability and the characteristics of blockchain games. The game was boldly transformed into an RPG genre to a cookie clicker game while leaving the compelling features of the original game intact. The strategic nature of party formation is certainly in the vein of Wizardry, making it a new generation of blockchain game. As a guild master, the player the player goes about structuring a party or a team of the most competent adventurers, defeats the enemies that stand in the way, and aims to go deeper into the dungeon to acquire the Blood Crystal, which is the token, a precious treasure in limited supply. The game can be played without purchasing an adventure NFT, with players acting as guild masters. Adventure NFTs are extremely valuable since only a limited number of adventurers can refine Blood Crystal, and subsequently it requires certain fees to have those qualified adventurers join the party. So Eternal Crypt Wizardry BC adopts the cookie clicker model that has proven to be successful in many games. The game inherits the party system. And yeah, let's go down to the roadmap here. So on their roadmap, they started with the teaser site, social media campaign, official website, light paper, INO, pre-release, implementation of the event feature, release of the iOS Android app version, game release, token generation event, IP collaboration with a prominent Web3 project, implementation of the guild feature, special events, media mix, novel, comic book, major IP collaboration, and then animation and major updates. So they have an INO, initial NFT offering. So the special adventure NFTs, the Genesis collection, will be sold before the game's release. Up to 20% of the BC token's entire supply will be provided through an Adventure Genesis collection, sold at higher prices compared to the standard Adventure NFTs. And then, yeah, so it talks a lot about the NFTs on their Git book, which you can find on their webpage. And they also have tokenomics on here, so the the token can be used here for the in-game token, NFT stuff on the marketplace. Now they have the let's see here. So they have their own, looks like their own Git book for the token here. Let me click on that here. So takes you all the way over there. Interesting. Token, a whole different Git book for their token. And yeah, so the Blood Crystal token, used for in-game items, leveling up adventure NFTs, and introducing new adventurers it can be used for. We already went over allocation. And yeah, ERC, it doesn't say anything about taxes. I was just looking for taxes on here. So if you do get this token later on off of Uniswap, you probably will not have to set slippage, but you never know. It doesn't specify zero taxes or anything. Now let me know in the comments down there, what do you guys think about this, the Wizardry game, this token, the NFTs? Leave a comment down below. Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Check out all the referral codes down there, and y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.